What if your iPhone could suddenly shoot video like a DSLR, frame perfect selfies with the rear camera, record ProRes footage without running out of storage, and light your content like a mini studio, all with a few small accessories? Today we're looking at some surprisingly powerful iPhone creator gadgets that can completely upgrade how you shoot photos, film videos, and create content anywhere. And you'll want to watch until the end, because a few of these tools can seriously change how mobile creators work in 2026. Welcome to Tech Trek Net. I'm your host. Now watch this. First up is the COMITOK iPhone Pro Max Camera Grip Mocha Arco. And if you've ever tried filming handheld video with a phone for more than a few minutes, you already know the struggle. Flat glass phones were never designed to be cameras, which is exactly why this accessory is so interesting. The COMITOK grip magnetically attaches to your iPhone and immediately gives it a DSLR-style feel in your hand. Suddenly you've got an ergonomic grip with a thumb rest, better balance, and much more control when filming YouTube videos, TikTok clips, or travel shots. The detachable Bluetooth remote built into the grip adds even more control, letting you launch the camera, flip lenses, adjust exposure, and switch shooting modes without touching the screen. That means smoother shooting and faster reactions when capturing moments. For mobile creators who shoot a lot of content on the go, this kind of grip can dramatically improve stability, comfort, and overall shooting quality. Next is a gadget that solves one of the most annoying problems in smartphone content creation, using the rear camera while still seeing yourself. The Vlogmate Mini Phone Vlog selfie monitor screen lets you finally use the iPhone's powerful rear camera while monitoring your framing in real time. Normally, when creators film themselves, they switch to the front camera, but that means sacrificing image quality. The Vlogmate Mini changes that by attaching a small AMOLED screen to the back of your phone that mirrors what the rear camera sees. Suddenly you can record sharper photos, higher quality video, and perfectly framed vlogs without guessing where you are in the shot. What makes it even more practical is its wired connection. Instead of relying on unstable Wi-Fi links, this system uses a cable connection that keeps the signal stable and eliminates lag. The display is bright too, up to 700 nits, so you can still see the screen outdoors while filming travel content, live streams, or interviews. And because the monitor draws a tiny amount of power directly from the phone, you don't have to charge another accessory before heading out to shoot. Now let's switch gears from filming tools to everyday convenience with the DOCKCASE MagSafe wallet with stand. This is one of those accessories that quietly improves your daily phone experience. Instead of carrying a bulky wallet, this slim magnetic wallet snaps onto the back of your iPhone using strong MagSafe magnets that hold it firmly in place. Inside, it can store up to 5 cards, including your ID, credit cards, or transit pass. But what makes it really useful is the built-in adjustable stand. With a simple fold, the wallet turns into a kickstand that supports your phone in both portrait and landscape mode. That means you can watch videos, take FaceTime calls, or prop your phone up while working hands-free. It also includes RFID blocking protection to help prevent digital card theft or unwanted scanning. So in one small accessory you get storage, phone protection, and a flexible viewing stand, making it a practical upgrade for everyday phone users. If you're finding value so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews. Now if you want to push mobile photography even further, the Telesin Magnetic Master Grip Kit is a serious upgrade for iPhone creators. This accessory takes the idea of a phone grip and turns it into a full mobile camera system. It includes a DSLR-style ergonomic handle that makes your phone feel much more like a real camera when shooting photos or videos. But the real standout feature is the built-in 3,200 mAh battery, which can extend your shooting time during long filming sessions. If you've ever had your phone die halfway through a recording, you already know how frustrating that can be. Another clever feature is the graphene cooling case built into the system. Recording high-resolution video can heat up smartphones quickly, and this case improves heat dissipation so your phone stays cooler while shooting. The grip also includes customizable control buttons and compatibility with extra accessories like microphones, lights, and tripods. For creators who want their phone to behave more like a professional camera, this grip kit is one of the most advanced mobile photography accessories available. Next up is something simple but incredibly useful: the UAG magnetic phone ring stand. At first glance, it looks like a small ring attachment, but this tiny accessory can make your phone much safer and easier to use every day. The ring magnetically attaches to your MagSafe case and rotates a full 360 degrees. Slide your finger through the ring, and suddenly your phone feels far more secure when texting, scrolling, or taking photos. It dramatically reduces the chance of dropping your phone, especially when using it with one hand. But it's not just a grip. The ring also doubles as a kickstand. You can prop the phone up on a desk in portrait or landscape mode for watching videos, video calls, or following tutorials. Made from durable metal with a slim profile, it adds almost no bulk while adding a lot of convenience. Sometimes the smallest accessories are the ones you end up using the most. Now let's talk about storage, something that becomes critical when shooting high-quality video. The DOCKCASE magnetic visual NVMe SSD enclosure is designed specifically for creators recording high-resolution footage like 4K ProRes on modern iPhones. Anyone who records large video files knows how quickly internal storage fills up. This enclosure solves that by allowing you to record directly to an external NVMe SSD drive. Using a fast USB 3.2 connection, it delivers transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second and supports storage capacities up to 2 terabytes. That's massive space for filming projects, travel footage, or long recording sessions. What makes this enclosure unique is the built-in display that shows real-time SSD health, storage capacity, and usage stats. Even better, it includes power loss protection that keeps writing data for a few seconds if power suddenly disconnects, preventing corrupted files. For mobile filmmakers and serious creators, this kind of external storage can turn an iPhone into a far more capable production tool. Finally, we have the Woobin E1 magnetic selfie ring light, and lighting is one of the fastest ways to improve video quality. Even the best smartphone camera struggles when lighting conditions are poor. The Woobin E1 solves that by providing a compact magnetic light that attaches directly to your phone. Despite weighing only 38 grams, it produces up to 300 lumens of brightness and includes 3 color temperature modes ranging from warm light to cool daylight tones. That means you can adjust the lighting depending on the environment, whether filming indoors, outdoors, or late at night. The magnetic design makes it quick to attach or remove, and the adjustable mount even allows it to double as a phone stand. Because it charges via USB-C and can run for extended periods, it's a perfect everyday lighting tool for vloggers, live streamers, and social media creators who want their content to look brighter and more professional. Now that we've looked at all these accessories, let's quickly run through them again, because each one improves a different part of the mobile creator workflow. The COMITOK camera grip turns your iPhone into a more comfortable handheld camera with better control and stability, making it ideal for vloggers and mobile filmmakers who want DSLR-style handling from a smartphone. The VlogMate Mini Selfie Monitor lets you use the powerful rear camera while still seeing yourself, which means sharper videos and perfectly framed content for YouTube, live streams, and TikTok recordings. The Suitcase MagSafe wallet simplifies everyday carry by combining card storage, RFID protection, and a built-in phone stand into one compact accessory that attaches instantly to your iPhone. The Telesin Master Grip Kit pushes mobile photography further with a powerful ergonomic handle, extended battery life, and cooling technology that keeps your phone running smoothly during long filming sessions. The UAG magnetic ring stand improves everyday usability by adding a secure grip and a flexible stand that makes watching videos or taking calls more comfortable. The DOCKCASE magnetic SSD enclosure unlocks serious storage power by allowing creators to record massive 4K ProRes video files directly to an external drive, preventing storage limits from interrupting filming. And the Woobin E1 selfie ring light brings better lighting to mobile photography, helping creators capture clearer, brighter content anywhere they shoot. That's it for today's roundup. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. See you next time on Tech Trek Net.